Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you 20 of the best car interior upgrades you can grab right now. These deals make your car cleaner, more comfortable, safer, and way more premium without spending a fortune. I've added all links below, so let's jump straight into the first upgrade. Number 1, 2-in-1 car steering wheel tray. This handy steering wheel tray is one of the most practical upgrades you can add to your car. It turns your steering wheel into a compact workstation or snack table. Perfect if you wait in parking lots, eat on the go, work from your laptop, or travel long distances. The dual-side design gives you a flat table on one side and a food holder with a cup slot on the other. It's slim, lightweight, and fits behind the seat pocket easily. Number 2. SUV Truck Car Trunk Organizer. If your trunk gets messy every week, this trunk organizer will make a huge difference. It has multiple compartments for groceries, tools, jumper cables, cleaning supplies, even emergency gear. The reinforced walls keep it standing upright, and the anti-slip straps stop it from sliding around. Whether you drive a sedan or a large truck, it instantly makes your cargo area more organized and safer. Number 3. Leather Seat Covers. These premium leather seat covers completely transform the look of your interior. They provide waterproof protection, resist wear and tear, and feel surprisingly comfortable. Designed to fit most car seats, they make your interior look more luxurious while preserving your factory seats underneath. If your seats are aging, stained, or just boring, this is the fastest way to upgrade your interior visuals. Number 4. Emergency Seatbelt Cutter and Window Hammer. A life-saving tool every driver should keep in their car. This compact device features a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter for emergencies and a steel-tip window breaker. If your car gets stuck in water, loses electrical power, or doors jam in an accident, this tool can save precious seconds. It's small enough to mount near your center console or attach to your visor for instant access. Number 5. A EUHOMY 12-volt car refrigerator for road trips, camping, long work shifts, or family travel. This 12-volt refrigerator is a powerful upgrade. It chills drinks rapidly, stores snacks, preserves medicine, and keeps everything cold without ice. The design is energy efficient, quiet, and perfect for SUVs and trucks. With Black Friday discounts, it becomes one of the best high-end upgrades for people who spend long hours on the road. Number 6. Car Seat Gap Filler. Stop losing your phone, coins, and keys between the seat and console with this gap filler. It seals that annoying gap so small items never slip down again. Made from soft material, it compresses to fit almost every vehicle and stays firmly in place. A simple upgrade that improves daily driving convenience. Number 7. Car Emergency Kit. This complete emergency kit is essential for every vehicle. It includes jumper cables, a tow strap, reflective triangle, safety hammer, tire tools, flashlight, and more. Whether you drive late at night or long distances, having these tools ready can help you handle unexpected situations. Storing everything in one organized bag keeps your trunk clean and prepared. Number 8. Car Seat Headrest Hooks. These headrest hooks instantly add a simple but highly useful storage solution. Hang grocery bags, handbags, backpacks, umbrellas, or even headphones. Keeps items off the floor and stops them from rolling around when driving. Perfect for parents, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants a cleaner back seat. Number 9. Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover. This steering wheel cover provides better grip, sweat resistance, and comfort, especially useful for long drives or hot climates. The microfiber leather adds a premium feel and helps renew old or worn steering wheels. It's also anti-slip, improving handling and safety. Number 10. Steering Wheel Lock. A heavy-duty steering wheel lock is still one of the best visible theft deterrents. It's solid, durable, and instantly discourages thieves from targeting your car. Easy to install, compatible with most vehicles, and adds a strong extra layer of protection during night parking or while traveling. Number 1. MagSafe Car Mount Charger. If you use an iPhone, this MagSafe wireless charger is the cleanest way to mount and charge your phone. The powerful magnets snap perfectly into place, and the charger keeps your device powered while navigating or streaming music. No cables, no adjusting clamps, just effortless docking. Number 12. Car Cup Holder Expander. Small cup holders are a common frustration, and this cup holder expander solves that instantly. It fits larger bottles, insulated tumblers, fast food cups, and even oversized travel mugs, ideal for commuters who carry coffee or hydration bottles daily. Number 13. Trucker Seat. Cushion long drives become much easier with this memory foam seat cushion. Designed for truckers and frequent drivers, it reduces back pressure, improves posture, and supports your lower spine. Great for commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone with back discomfort during driving. Number 14. Center Console Tray Organizer. This console tray organizer creates an upper layer inside your center console, making it easier to place items like keys, coins, cards, cash, or sunglasses. Instead of digging deep into the storage pit, you get instant access to everyday items, perfect for keeping your console neat. Number 15. Canvical Windshield Sunshade. A windshield sunshade protects your dashboard, reduces interior heat, and prevents fading or cracking. During summer, it keeps your interior cooler by blocking UV rays. The foldable design makes it easy to store and quick to deploy. Number 16. Auto Saver 88 Floor Mats. These all-weather floor mats provide full protection against mud, snow, rainwater, and dirt. Designed with deep grooves and durable material, they prevent debris from reaching your carpet. Super easy to clean, just rinse and dry. Perfect for families, pet owners, or drivers in rainy areas. Number 17. Car Seat Gap Filler and Organizer. This upgraded seat gap filler not only blocks the gap, but also adds storage pockets for your phone, cards, wallet, coins, and small accessories. It utilizes unused space and keeps everything within arm's reach. Ideal for people who love a clean, organized interior. Number 18. Footrest Pedal Cover. This pedal cover enhances grip while giving your car's interior a sporty, modern look. It's made from durable material, improves driving comfort, and adds a stylish touch to your footwell area. Great for drivers who appreciate interior aesthetics. Number 19. Auxbeam Switch Panel. If you run auxiliary lights, compressors, or additional electrical devices, this Auxbeam switch panel becomes the command center of your car. It offers clean wiring, modern backlit switches, and easy control over all accessories, popular for off-road vehicles and custom builds. Number 20. Car Cleaning Gel. This cleaning gel reaches dust and debris inside air vents, buttons, cup holder edges, and other tight spots. Perfect for quick interior detailing and keeping your dashboard spotless, reusable, and easy to store. And that wraps up our top 20 interior upgrades for 2025. All links and deals are in the description, so check them out while discounts last. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car accessory videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.